Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS comments, and right now we'll be discussing about CSS single line comments. Comments are used to explain the code and may help when you edit the source code at a later date. Comments are ignored by browsers. A CSS comment is placed inside the star element and starts with /* and ends with //. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. But one thing I want you to notice, you can add comments wherever you want in the code. Back to our document, as you can see, we're having this, right? So let's get back to our code. Let's come here. Let's say we want to add comment to our document. I've tried to explain this in some ways before, but you can't really understand where. I don't want you to understand it very well, so you can be able to understand. Let's say we have this code where we select h1, h2, h3, right? Now we can just say this one, you can give it a comment just to identify the thing we are trying to do right here, opening and closing, right? Let's close this with /. So right here you see I wrote /*//. So in between it you can write our comment. You can say h1, h2, h3 decorations. So when you have this h1, h2, h3 decorations, when you save your document like this, can you see it's not all these things is not going to display, but it's just for you to document your code. Let's say right here you come to the bottom, you come to this side. You can do it in another way again. By the side of this h1 tag, as you can see, this is our this code right here. As you can see, is in between our style element, opening and closing style element, and you can specify it again. You can specify it like this when you give your /* right here and /* and // again. You can see this one is h1 decorations. You understand? You can write whatever you want to write right here, and you can do it in another dimension again. If you notice very well, this one is h2, but inside this opening and closing curly braces, we can place our comment again by using /* again. You can say h2 decorations. So when you save your document and reload, it's not going to affect your document, but this just for you to know what you are trying to do right here, for you to know what you are trying to do right here, and for you to know what you are trying to do right here. This one you are seeing right here is a single line comment. They are all single line comments. Don't you forget that. And they don't affect your document. It's just for you to comment, to know what you are doing, where you start, where you stop. You can write this list. You can say this is the beginning. You can say this is end. This is middle. You understand? For you to just recognize what you are doing. So you can call it anything you want, and you can name your document, title your document anyhow you want. It's not going to affect your document. As you can see, when I read it, it's not affecting our document. Can you see? It's looking nice. So anwar akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Try to practice, because practice makes perfect. And to the next. Bye bye. Thanks.